In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Squarespace website into an under construction mode. This can be quite handy when you're working on updates or making significant changes and you don't want your visitors to see your site during this process. We want them to have a seamless experience, right? So let's make sure your website is ready for those updates in a way that keeps everything smooth and professional. First things first, let's begin by heading to Squarespace. Open your web browser and navigate to Squarespace's official website. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do so. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where all the magic happens. If you have multiple sites, make sure you choose the one you want to work on. Once you're in the right place, look for the section labeled Website on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it to reveal more options. What we're interested in is the Pages option, so go ahead and click Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages currently available on your website. Here's where you can manage all of the content that forms your site. It's your central hub, if you will. Now from this list here, what we're going to do is select the lock screen option. Don't worry, finding this is easier than it sounds. This feature is specifically designed to allow you to hide your website behind a lock screen whenever necessary. It gives your site a professional appearance while it's undergoing development. After you select Lock Screen, the next step is to customize it. You'll want to change the layout so that it clearly communicates to your visitors that your website is currently under construction. There are various templates you can choose from, so select one that best fits the aesthetic you're going for. Make sure it's clear and concise so your visitors understand the site is temporarily down and will be back soon. And that's pretty much it. Once you've set everything up, your website will automatically switch to this under construction mode, presenting the new layout you just selected. This way, visitors will see the new lock screen instead of any incomplete pages or content. By following these steps, you ensure that your website leaves a good impression on your visitors, even when it's temporarily down for maintenance or updates. This lock screen feature is a great way to manage customer expectations and maintain professionalism throughout the process. And of course, it's incredibly simple to deactivate when you're ready to push your changes live and show off your redesigned site. I hope this guide helps you in effectively managing your site's appearance during its transformation stages. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and feel free to subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, happy designing!